Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today let's see a very popular prawn biryani recipe which is a favorite of all biryani lovers. It just tastes divine with a simple onion raita or any gravy or salad of your choice. This biryani tastes absolute delicious with a perfect blend of spices. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm adding in 1.5 cup of basmati rice to a bowl. Also you can use Siraga Samba rice for this prawn biryani recipe. Wash the rice well with water and soak for about 10 minutes. Let's drain the water completely and set it aside. Next, let's take half kg of prawns. For this biryani, I have used medium-sized fresh prawns. Also, you can use frozen prawns or shrimps for this recipe. Let's clean and wash the prawns well. Drain water completely from the prawns. And let's marinate it with 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, and lastly half teaspoon of salt. Mix the masala good and coat the prawns well with the masala. Let the prawns marinate for at least 30 minutes. Now let's start preparing our biryani. Let's add 3 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee to the cooker and heat it. Once the oil is hot, let's add half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Allow the cumin seeds to splutter in medium heat. Next goes in our flavorful spices, bay leaf, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, Marathi moggu and kalpasi. Allow the seasonings to crackle for few seconds. You can see the spices started spluttering. Let's add 4 green chilies and 3 number of finely sliced onions. Add salt and fry the onions in medium heat. Addition of salt helps the onions to get cooked faster. Let's fry the onions until they turn light brown or golden in color. Next goes in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry until the raw smell goes off. Next let's add chopped tomatoes. I have taken 1 big tomato. And add a handful of fresh mint and coriander leaves. Fry well in low to medium heat until the tomatoes are cooked soft. Now our tomatoes are cooked soft. Let's add the flavorful spices, a pinch of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, and finally half teaspoon of fennel powder. Also let's add 2 tablespoons of fresh curd or yogurt. Adding yogurt gives a very good taste and flavor to our biryani. You can also add half cup of coconut milk instead of yogurt. Mix the masala well and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. We can see our masala is cooked well and oil starts to separate. So it's time to add our marinated prawns and fry well. Not only prawns taste good, they are also rich in nutrients, proteins, vitamins and minerals and contain very little fat. Fry in high heat for a minute. Even if you don't love seafood in biryani, trust me, after tasting this, you will become a true prawn biryani lover. Now simmer the heat and add soaked and drained basmati rice. Fluff the rice gently and combine with the masalas. Even beginners can try this prawn biryani recipe because it's much easier than making chicken biryani or mutton biryani. Let the flame remain low. Let's add the water. I'm adding 2.5 cup of water for cooking 1.5 cup of basmati rice. Stir good and combine the rice well with the masalas. This is a delightful and aromatic biryani recipe that will make you ask for more and more. Next goes in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And let's add half teaspoon of biryani masala powder. In this stage we can taste and adjust salt and seasonings to suit up our taste. Because of the marination, the flavors get infused well in the prawns, giving us the more tasty biryani. And finally, drizzle some ghee and let's close the pressure cooker. Cook the biryani in high heat for 1 whistle, then simmer the heat and cook for another 5 minutes. Turn off the heat and leave it to rest for 10 minutes. Once the pressure goes off, let's open the lid. Wow, our yummy, flavorful, delicious prawn biryani is ready. Fluff it gently and serve with any raita of your choice. As we can see, the preparation is so easy. The taste of it will linger on our taste buds for more time. Garnish with freshly sliced coriander leaves. Also, you can add some fried cashews for richer taste. Do try this quick recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. We love to hear back from you, so do share your success stories in the comments below. Prawn biryani is my all-time favorite and I love to prepare it for our weekend lunch. We can serve this hot flavorful prawn biryani with any of our favorite raita or even simple gravy or veg salad. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a single recipe. Also, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more fabulous recipes and food updates. Until I meet you all with the next easy recipes, stay home, eat healthy, bye bye.